Today we are going to see about this 100% stacked bar chart and 100% stacked column chart. So already we have discussed about stacked bar charts and stacked column chart, but now this one is quite different. It will show like 100% stacked bar chart and 100% stacked column chart. So both is remain same comparatively, but the look like one is horizontal and another one is vertical. That is the changes and how it will work. So for example, I'm choosing this particular graph. I'm going to place one value, product and south sale. Then it will display like everything is in 100 percentage. See how it is taking. And even if I added east, then it is showing like in grand total this much 50.12 percentage is occupied for south and 49.88 percentage is occupied for east sale. So how it is calculated, how we need to work on this? Maybe we have used this particular data. Okay, so appliances and south sale and east sale. Okay, so let me show you how it is calculated. Okay, now I have opened this Excel. I'll show you how it is calculated. So for example, I'll take any one of the value. So for example, appliances. So appliances and the value is 889400. 889400. Similarly for east, it is like 17 lakh, right? 17 lakh. It should be like this. Then how it will calculate the 100% stacked chart? How it will calculate? So there is a same logic for 100% bar and column chart. But here, what is the difference? Only the vertical and horizontal alignment only it will differ. Otherwise, the same process only. It will take like total of this particular both the values. So the what is the total? So south is this much and east is this much, and the total is 2589400. This 100% stacked chart. So for example, if it is south, how it is calculated, and if it is east, how it is calculated. So here, if it is south, it is taking a south value divided by total. Okay, and if it is east, it will take east value divided by total. Okay, then what happened? I'll take a percentage and maybe I'll take a point difference as well. Okay, now it is showing south is 34.35 and east is 65.65. So total is 100 percentage. So when you can go and check your graph, so appliances, see here 34.35 and another one is 65.65 percentage. So exactly it is matching. So it is calculated like this. Okay, when I'm choosing one value, it is showing 100 percentage. How? Why? Because there is no total of that particular product. Only I have selected the one product. Then east it will not consider. It will take south as a total, and it is showing 100 percentage. That's why before everything, each and everything, it is showing 100 percentage, because of there is no comparison value. So now when I'm choosing both the values, it will take a total and it will calculate like this, and it will calculate, it will take a total and it will calculate like this. Based on that, the percentage allocated for that particular, you know, the appliances per south percentage and east percentage, it will calculate it and it is provided into the graph. Okay. Thanks for watching.